For home contractors, dominating AI search is literally your most urgent priority right now.
I am absolutely shocked. A whopping 78% of local service businesses are completely invisible in AI answers.
Here's the crazy part. AI search traffic just exploded by 527%. That's a massive missed opportunity.
So does this mean traditional Google search is totally dead for contractors? Are we moving on?
Not quite. Consumers actually use AI to narrow their options first, then hit Google to verify reviews. Oh wow, I get it. If you aren't in that initial AI answer, they're never going to Google you.
But why does my incredibly expensive traditional SEO website look completely blank to AI bots right now?
Well, Javi, JavaScript literally blinds ChatGPT and Perplexity. Right now, only Gemini can read your hidden scripts. Quick fix? Check your robots.txt to unblock crawlers and add an lms.txt file.
So how do we write for them? You got to use BLUF, bottom line up front.
Right. Instead of saying costs vary, clearly state water heaters run $1,200 to $2,500. Be specific.
Makes sense. AI bots ignore buried sales pitches. They just grab extractable, self-contained clips and hard numbers.
So, if traditional backlinks aren't the main trust signal, what's the new SEO currency for AI?
Unlinked mentions. Getting natural shoutouts on local news or Nextdoor threads carries massive weight for AI trust. Plus, Reddit is the most cited domain. Missing those casual Reddit recommendation threads means losing massive traffic.
Exactly. Foxer Digital Marketing uses this generative engine optimization framework to build those exact trust signals. The question is, will you wait until competitors lock down AI recommendations or take the lead today?